You can add time in Excel just like you add other types of numbers. For example, you might do this if you want to know how long it took to complete a project's tasks. The best way to do this is to use the AutoSum button on the Home tab. I click it once to see what it's going to add. This is what I want, so I click it again and get the total time for the tasks. You could use AutoSum again to add these columns' tasks, or a formula to add these two cells. To start a formula, you always use an equal sign. Click cell D2, type the plus sign, click cell D3, and press Enter. 12 hours and 45 minutes plus 15 hours and 30 minutes isn't 4 hours and 15 minutes. I know the formula is correct, so it must be how cell D4 is configured to display time. In this example, the total was greater than 24 hours. Excel can display time in many different ways, such as hours and minutes, or hours, minutes, and seconds, AM, PM, or a 24-hour clock, or a number that's greater than 24 hours, as is needed in this example. To format the cell, right-click it, and click Format Cells. Under Category, click Custom. In the Type field, type left square bracket, H, right square bracket, colon, and then MM. The square brackets tell Excel to exceed 24 hours. The H is for hours, and the MM is for minutes. See the course summary at the end of this course for more information about formatting time. And now we just click OK, and the total time is displayed correctly. You can use the square brackets even if the time won't exceed 24 hours. If you're not sure if a total will exceed 24 hours, it's best to use them. You can also add a unit of time, such as 1.5 hours, to a time of day, such as 10 a.m., by using the time function. Type an equal sign, then click A7, which contains the time of day, 10 a.m., then type a plus sign, time, left parenthesis, 1 for the number of hours we want to add, comma, 30 for the minutes we want to add, comma, 0 for the seconds, a closing parenthesis, and press Enter. And we have our calculated time of 11:30 a.m. Up next, subtracting time.